TCL R290 Tri-thermal air-to-water heat pump. R290 high-efficiency DC compressor with a 90% increase in displacement to ensure capacity output. Energy class up to A++ under 35/55 degrees Celsius water temperature. Fan biomagnetic optimization design, grid silent design, reducing turbulence noise, dual noise reduction and sound insulation design, compressor rubber with special damping material, flexible pipeline design, effectively improving sound quality and reducing pipeline vibration, ensuring low noise operation of the heat pump. Multiple anti-freezing technologies. Electric heating anti-freezing, water pump anti-freezing, compressor anti-freezing, expansion vessel heating, plate heat exchanger heating, chassis electric heating, comprehensively ensuring low temperature operation of the heat pump. Precision components explosion-proof design, ensuring reliable operation of the heat pump. Maximum leaving water temperature can reach 80 degrees Celsius. GWP as low as 3. Can operate in environments as low as -25 degrees Celsius. Input electricity and gas prices on the wire controller. The heat pump unit automatically calculates energy usage costs and intelligently switches to the most cost-effective energy mode. 8 preset +1 self-defined temperature curves. Flexible adaptation to operating conditions in different climates. 3-zone temperature control design, able to accommodate different spaces and set different temperature controls for different users. Using the TCL Home app, you can control all household appliances of the TCL brand and view energy consumption data at any time. You can also remotely upgrade the software through the app. Using IoT remote monitoring, you can improve after-sales efficiency. Integration of photovoltaic, energy storage, heat pump and charging. Maximizing energy self-sufficiency through the SG-ready, off-peak power consumption can be achieved. TCL. Inspire greatness.